Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be unveiled on February 26 in China. Xiaomi 15 Ultra come in black and white colors. The new image shows us a back panel that is a quarter metal and 3/4 leather, just like the classic design of a Leica camera. Lei Jun shares first photo from Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 200MP periscope. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED LTPO panel with a micro-quad curve design. It offers a 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Xiaomi's 15 Ultra will be very much focused on the cameras. The 50-megapixel main shooter will be using Sony's 1-inch Type Lisha LYT900 sensor. 50-megapixel ultra-wide will use Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor. A 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and macro shooting capabilities, and a 200-megapixel Samsung HP9 periscope telephoto with 4.3x optical zoom. 32-megapixel OmniVision OV32B sensor selfies. It will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage and HyperOS 2.0 flavored Android 15. It may pack a 6000 mAh battery with 90W wired and 50W wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.